Okay. Right, good stuff. So let's put this here. Let me just check on the app how it looks. Yeah, it's pretty good. Right, okay, so today I'm going to take a little drive. Let's start this. Put the seatbelt on. So what I want to do today is check those two, Eco Pro and Sport Mode, and see what they do. I think that's the aim really. So I've got to pick up some food. So let's put it into Eco Pro. Let's put map. Okay, let's go. So I've tried it once before and it added 0.5 miles. I think what it means is that I've been driving quite efficiently and I've got an extra half a mile before I have to fill up, which is good. It's going to be a nice mixed drive. And I'm going to try and be as efficient as possible. And last video I did with this car, I have put music, so you can't really hear much of what's going on, whereas this one you can hear how quiet it is, you can hear the engine, so hopefully it's going to be a good video. Ah, there we go, 0.6 miles. So you see, because I've been going very slow, it added 0.1 miles. Let's go up to 70. Oh, I see it doesn't like me accelerating in 4th gear. Okay, and we're going to try and stick to this speed. So we're in 6th gear, doing 70 miles an hour. And we seem to be doing it relatively efficiently, so hopefully that plus 0.6 keeps going up. So okay, I think I understand. The point of this mode is to be efficient and drive as sensibly as possible, which is good. Going into a 60 zone, so I'm gonna slow down. Actually, what I might try and do is drive very sensibly, because there are loads of people breaking the speed limit, but actually if I don't rush and if I just take it slow, I might get to my aim of plus 1 mile. Miles so far, but it's very frustrating going this slow. You'll literally see people overtaking me left, right and centre, but I don't care. I'm here to get some good miles to the gallon, and that is the most important thing. Even if I've literally there's a second car overtaking me from the left. Oh, this is so difficult, but I can do it. I'm a sensible driver. You guys can keep going fast. You're not saving as much fuel as me. You're not going to get that extra 1 mile. undertake. Are we going to see any more of this bad behaviour going on? Oh, they'll end up on YouTube behaving like that. There's another one there, the Audi. Okay, managed to get 1 mile, plus 1 mile, which is very good. And we've still got 2.5 miles left, so maybe we can push that up even more. Oh, look, even Royal Mail. Honestly, Royal Mail driving like this. I guess they need to deliver all the post, so if they don't do this, then you'll be late with getting your letters and stuff. So they've got a bit more of an excuse for driving like this. I'm trying to not put my foot down. Okay, second gear's probably a bit low. So if I keep it in third and then just go slowly. See, this acceleration is not good for me, guys. Keep it slow. Well, maybe if I'm going down the hill and put my foot down a little bit, then it's not as bad. Okay, I'm at 1.1 now. It's a bit like a little game, a little challenge. Who can get the highest score? Okay, so here I'll need to come off quite soon. So I'm going to this lane. That's good. The guy in front of me is not in a rush anywhere, so we'll just take it easy. Look at this automatic lights. As soon as it goes into the tunnel, those beautiful BMW LED lights come on. 1.2 miles. But now it's going to be very slow, so I don't know if that will now come down because of the driving style. But I'll try to take it easy. Okay, traffic light, don't change. Do not change. Do not change. Yeah, you stay. Oh, okay, never mind. So I'm going to be going here. Maybe if I do that, stop kicks in. You can see the reflection of the beautiful LED lights. Okay. He almost went through a red light there. Bad boy. And we're at plus 1.3 miles. She just wants to overtake us. See, people like that are the reason why it's very difficult to drive efficiently. Oh look, and now she's trying to get ahead. Look. It's just, why would you be that cheeky? Oh, anyways. Let's not worry about them. You need to worry about them when you're in sports mode. When you're in Eco Pro mode, you just let people be cheeky. Okay, so we need to turn around. I think this is back to where I was. So this turn was completely wrong. Okay, so I think we made it. I'm gonna go get my food and I'll be back soon. I've now got my food. As you can see here, there's a bag of some food. So hopefully there's something decent in there. There we go. I'm gonna open the window a bit because it's getting warm. I'm sweating a lot. And oh yeah, so what we're going to do is we're going to put the sport mode. So comfort, sport displays. Right, yeah, so with the sport mode you've got the power and the torque display. So yeah, let's go and see how it works. definitely a bit of a boost. I like it. Looks nice. Very sporty. We hear the power of that 2 litre diesel. Let's see if I can put my foot down a bit here. Oh, come on. Okay, look. That was just a little touch on the pedal. Love it. So good. Can't wait to get into the motorway. Yeah, I love this little display. Apologies, I think I lift my head up quite a bit when I get excited with driving, and it ends up ruining the video. Lovely. Lovely jubbly. Yeah, I like the sports mode. It's got a nice display. It's got extra boosts of power. So it's got everything. And now let's get home. Oh, look at this BMW driver. Trying to bully the other guy. Bullying the other guy, that is shocking. Absolutely shocking. Bad, very bad. Maybe that's going to be my future. I'm going to be driving around and shaming people. Mode, so obviously I can't just go left here, I have to overtake at least one car. Got the Eco Pro mode, which is good. It's gives you a bit of a challenge. You're adding miles to your range by driving very sensibly, and it shows you when you're not driving sensibly and when you're being a bit too heavy footed. So that is good for the environment, and also gives you something to do. So if it's a long drive, it just lets you monitor how you're doing. And sports mode gives you some fancy display. It also gives you a little bit extra power, I think, and probably ruins your miles to the gallon. So I have changed my mind. I prefer the Eco Pro mode. I like the fact when I know that my range is going to get higher. Hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe, because I'll be doing more of this, more of these random videos. Now I've got the equipment for my GoPro, I'm going to be using it. Okay. There we go. That was a bit of acceleration just to show you how cool I am. We have made it. Thank you for watching, and yeah, hope you enjoyed it. Hold the mirrors.